5 Foods to Reverse Kidney Damage. Greetings, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into a world of wellness where we uncover the extraordinary potential of 5 superfoods that might just be the key to reversing kidney damage? Your kidneys, the unsung heroes of your body, deserve some extra TLC, and in this video, we're about to explore the transformative power of nature's healing bounty. Join us on this insightful and empowering journey as we unveil the top 5 foods believed to have the potential to reverse kidney damage. From succulent berries to nutrient-packed avocados, get ready to revitalize and nourish your kidneys. Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark together on a mission to rediscover the vitality of our most vital organs. 1. Grapes Berries Blast, a symphony of kidney vitality. Welcome to the first chapter of our kidney revitalization journey, where we're diving headfirst into the vibrancy of berries, those little bursts of flavor that pack a powerful punch. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries aren't just delicious, they're nature's remedy for kidney well-being. Berries are brimming with antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and quercetin, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds are believed to be instrumental in combating inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 key factors in kidney health. The vibrant colors of these berries signify the presence of potent plant compounds, each playing a role in refreshing and revitalizing your kidneys. Imagine these berries as tiny superheroes swooping in to rescue your kidneys from the stresses of daily life. Picture the antioxidants as a shield, protecting your kidneys and infusing them with a burst of energy. So, get ready to indulge in the sweetness of kidney well-being as we explore how these little powerhouses can turn your renal health into a symphony of vitality. Don't forget to hit that like button to give a virtual high five to these kidney-loving berries and subscribe for more exciting revelations on your journey to well-being. 2. Avocado Avenger, unleashing creamy kidney guardians. Get ready for a creamy twist in our kidney health journey as we shine the spotlight on avocados, the green wonders that are about to become your kidney superheroes. Beyond their delicious taste and luscious texture, avocados are here to support and protect your kidneys in a way only true heroes can. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which not only make your taste buds dance but also contribute to heart health. In the realm of kidneys, avocados bring more to the table. They're rich in potassium. While too much potassium can be a concern for some, avocados strike a balance, providing a moderate amount that may actually support kidney function. We'll uncover the secret behind avocados' dual role as flavor enhancers and kidney nurturers. Imagine avocados as the guardians of your kidneys, swooping in with capes of monounsaturated goodness. We'll unveil how these creamy delights work behind the scenes, not just elevating the taste of your meals but also ensuring your kidneys are nurtured and protected. Get ready to welcome avocados as your culinary sidekick in the fight for kidney well-being. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to make avocados a regular on your plate. 3. Broccoli Kale Kickstart, igniting kidney vitality. Get ready to witness a green revolution in your kidney health journey as we shine a spotlight on kale, the nutrient-packed leafy green that's about to take center stage. Bursting with a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, kale is here to give your kidneys a robust kickstart. Kale is a nutritional dynamo, boasting high levels of vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like calcium and potassium. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting overall health, and when it comes to kidneys, they become the driving force behind kidney vitality. We'll delve into the specifics of how kale's nutrient-rich profile contributes to the well-being of your kidneys. Kale as the superhero in your culinary adventure, swooping in with a vibrant green cape of goodness. We're not just going to talk about kale. We're going to explore creative and delicious ways to incorporate this green giant into your meals. Brace yourself for a kale-infused culinary journey that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also makes kidney health an exciting and integral part of your everyday life. 4. Eggplant Elixir, the purple potion for kidney triumph. Get ready for a culinary revelation as we unveil the versatile eggplant as an unsung hero in the battle against kidney damage. With its low potassium content and potential diuretic properties, the eggplant presents itself as a flavorful elixir for your kidneys, ready to turn your culinary experience into a delightful and kidney-friendly adventure. Eggplants, with their deep purple hue, bring a unique set of benefits to the table. Their low potassium content makes them a kidney-friendly option, particularly for those mindful of their potassium intake. Additionally, the potential diuretic properties of eggplants may contribute to maintaining healthy fluid balance. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this purple gem and explore how it can be an integral part of your kidney-protective culinary arsenal. Imagine eggplants as the wizards in your kitchen, concocting a potion of deliciousness that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also works silently to benefit your kidneys. In this video, we're not just talking about eggplants. We're on a mission to discover innovative and delightful ways to incorporate this purple gem into your diet. 5. Carrot Crusade, rooting for kidney well-being. In the grand finale of our kidney-saving expedition, we turn our attention to the humble carrot, a crunchy root vegetable that's not just a classic snack, but a key player in the carrot crusade for kidney health. Loaded with beta-carotene and fiber, these orange wonders are ready to claim their prime spot on your plate. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and immune function. Additionally, the fiber content in carrots supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. As we delve into the specifics, you'll discover how these crunchy delights contribute to the overall well-being of your kidneys. Visualize carrots as the unsung heroes, marching onto your plate in a vibrant orange crusade for kidney health. We're not just talking about carrots, we're uncovering why they deserve to be a star player in your meals. From snacking to culinary creations, carrots offer a versatile and delicious way to support your kidney well-being. If you're ready to join the Carrot Crusade, hit that like button and subscribe for more carrot-inspired revelations on your journey to kidney health supremacy. Thank you for joining our Kidney Health Odyssey. Rainbow Blue Heart. What an incredible journey through the vibrant realm of kidney-loving superfoods. We hope you're feeling inspired to infuse your diet with these delightful and health-boosting ingredients. If you found this exploration into the world of berries, avocados, kale, eggplants, and carrots enlightening, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button to let us know you enjoyed the content, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more exciting revelations on your path to holistic well-being. Until our next adventure, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep embracing the goodness that nature has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more fantastic content.